Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. In this video, we're gonna review another poker hand. This hand happened on 888 Poker, and the big blind. It's a middle stage of the tournament. The big blind is 2500. And the ante is 325. Our hero sits on a stack of 26 big blinds, and the table's got one player missing. There's a big stack, but the rest of the stacks are around our heroes. There's one slightly bigger, and there's a one short stack. So let's see what happens. We are on the big blind with king jack off. The action folds around to under the gun +1 without this player who min raises to little over 2 big blinds. The action falls to us. So with king jack off, of course we're calling here. There's no real merit to 3-betting because the hand is too weak to do that, and our stacks are also too shallow to do that with a hand like king jack off. So we're gonna call, yeah, and let's see the flop. The flop is jack 6-8 with 2 spades, so quite a good flop for us. We hit a second pair with a good kicker. Of course, he's got a lot of aces in his range since he raised under the gun +1, but yeah, we're mostly checking here. Actually, I think out of the big blind, yeah, we're checking like 99% of the time to the preflop raiser. Don't think it makes that much sense to lead. So yeah, our hero checks, and the villain bets a little over a third of the pot. So with king jack off, we for sure will call here. Raising maybe makes a little sense because we have the king of spades, but sometimes raising on a board like this will get into shove, and with a flush draw, and I suppose we'd rather try and realize our equity here and play the board, play it slow. So I suppose we'll see a call from the hero, and yeah, we do. The turn is another ace, so that's good because it decreases the chances of him having an ace. And the pot is already 23.5, so 9 big blinds. We've got 72 behind, actually 58 behind. And from time to time I would like to see a lead here for like 7.5k, just to avoid him checking behind a hand like a flush draw or a straight draw with king queen, or I don't know, queen 10 type of hands. But a check is fine most of the time, and we see our hero does just that. And what the villain does? The villain bets 8k, so again a third of the pot. And yeah, at this point, what do we do? Do we call or do we 3-bet? I guess this second ace makes it better for us to just call. Because if we raise, what are we really representing? Would we raise here with trip aces? Probably we wouldn't, because we wouldn't want him to fold. So I would, yeah, I probably would call here the vast majority of time. But let's see what the hero does. The hero just calls. Okay. So the pot is 40k. The villain's got 50 behind. That's the effective stack, because we got only slightly more. And I don't think there's really any merit to betting here. If we're behind and we bet, he's gonna fold. If if we're ahead and if he's behind, then he's gonna fold to our bet. If he's ahead, then we don't want it to make the pot bigger. So we'd rather just play check call here, I think, the vast majority of time, and let him bluff with, you know, his missed straight draws or flush draws, or I don't know what else could he try and take a stop here with. But we're fine checking the hand down. The pot is already, you know, 40k. We don't have a super strong hand. We just have a, you know, second pair with a good kicker. So I would like to see a check here, and our hero does check. And let's see what the villain does. And the villain actually goes bigger this time. He's been betting a third of the pot on the flop and on the turn, and now he goes over half pot, like 60%, 25k. And I think here, even though it's you know, slightly difficult spot, we gotta call, because if we fold a hand like King Jack here, then what are we calling with? I think King Jack is just too strong of a hand in our range here, given how the hand had played down. To fold it, we gotta call. There's no real merit to raising. If he's bluffing, then we'll win. If he has a better hand, so an ace, or I don't know, pocket sixes or pocket fives or pocket queens or pocket kings. But would he bet here with pocket kings? Maybe. But this is a real polarizing bet. If he bet all in here, I think it would be a similar spot with our King Jack. Given how the hand play out, I think we gotta call here and hope that he's bluffing, because he certainly has a lot of bluffs in his range. Yeah. So let's see what the hero does. The hero does call. The pot is 90k, so you know, 34, 36 big blinds. And the villain actually shows pocket aces. So yeah, played quite well. I think in the villain's shoes, I would much rather prefer a shove on the river, and perhaps slightly bigger bet on the turn. Actually, no. On the turn, yeah, on the turn a third of the pot is a really good bet here. Because what can we really have to call? If he bets 60% of the pot, then we might fold a hand like King Jack on the turn. And him betting a third, you know, gets us more committed to the pot. And on the river, when he shoves, I think we call with King Jack. Perhaps maybe we shouldn't call with king jack with a spade. Perhaps we should lean more towards calling with king jack without a spade, as in not to limit his possibilities of having flush draws. But yeah, that would be it for this hand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comments below, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.